In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage store preferences on Steam. Customizing your store preferences is a great way to make Steam recommendations more relevant to your interests while filtering the type of content you want to see. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each setting so you can personalize your Steam experience in just a few minutes. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, download the latest version from Steam's official website before continuing. Once Steam is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the Login button if you aren't already signed in. Enter your account name and password carefully, making sure all your information is correct. Then click Sign In to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage, where you'll find your library, the Steam Store, and your account options. Near the top of the window, locate your profile name and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Store Preferences to open the page where you can customize how the Steam Store works for your account. Inside the Store Preferences page, you'll first come across the Mature Content Preferences section. Here you can choose whether mature content appears in your store recommendations and search results. Adjust these options according to your personal preferences, so the store displays content you're comfortable viewing. Next, you'll find the Store Content Preferences section. This area allows you to influence the types of games and categories that appear throughout the Steam Store. Taking a few moments to review these settings can help make your recommendations more relevant to the genres and experiences you enjoy most. Continue down the page to the Community Content Preferences section. Here you can customize the types of community-created content, such as artwork, guides, and reviews that appear while browsing Steam. After that, you'll reach the Discovery Queue Preferences, which determine the kinds of games Steam highlights as you browse new recommendations. You'll also see Platform Preferences, where you can specify which operating systems, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, should be prioritized when Steam recommends games. If you own a Steam Deck, you'll find a separate Steam Deck Preferences section that lets you tailor recommendations specifically for that device. Finally, review the broadcast preferences to personalize the live streaming content that appears across Steam. And that's it. By adjusting these settings, you've customized the Steam Store to better match your interests and preferred gaming platforms, making it easier to discover content that's most relevant to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped. Happy gaming!